I think I need to look under the hood.
Okay.
Gosh, dang it. Oh my God.
What kind of parts are those?
Broken ones.
What was that?
I don't know.
We need to get in the house.
Okay, let's get in there. Let's be careful.
Wait. Don't use the front door.
Really?
She's gonna see that coming. We ought to go around the back.
Okay.
Here, I'm gonna shut the light off so she doesn't see us.
I hope she's not back there. This is really freaking me out.
Okay, we'll just sneak around to the back door.
This is where we first saw the sign. My God, I think I see something. All I want is a Negroni. Maybe 2, maybe 3.
Wait, what's that in the tree behind you?
What did you say, son?
What's that in the tree behind you?
My, that is exactly what I thought. It's a sign.
We gotta get to the back door now.
Do you hear the hound?
Come on, we don't have time. Go in. Be very careful and quiet.
Hey, Mr. Piano Man, how you doing?
Sir Rick, you need to hurry. Get to the parlor before she sees you.
Hey, Jack, how you doing, buddy? Mr. Bones, how you been?
Go that way, Rick. Fast.
This way?
Not this way, dummy. Get out of here.
Okay. Take care, Mr. Bones. See you next year. Here's the parlor.
Okay, I'm gonna go in.
Be careful, son.
Whoa. Sir Rick, you need to get in here and see this.
Are you sure?
Come on, there's no time.
She's not around here?
I don't see her.
What the heck? When we left a few hours ago, this was empty. I got a bottle of yellow spot up here.
Sir Rick, I don't like all these candles.
I don't know. What is happening? Somebody left a bottle of Calvados. I gotta have a shot of that.
But Sir Rick, what if she's just baiting you?
I don't know. That's Calvados.
Is this really the right time for a victory shot?
You know, it'd be a hell of a way to go.
Fine, do what you want.
Mmm.
But make it fast. Come on, hurry.
I gotta have a shot of that.
Whoa, what was that?
I don't know.
Quick, get behind the bar.
Are we safe here? What do you think? Think the coast is clear?
I don't know. Take a look.
Holy shit, there's nothing. There's nothing. Must be...
Here, let me check my side. Sir Rick, there's nothing out there.
Yeah, but those candles.
I don't know, sometimes candles just appear. It's like a smoke screen. Maybe you should get up and take a better look. What do you see?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
There you are. I've been looking for you all day. Have you done your chores yet? Dishes, car, weeds, anything?
Hey, baby. I was outside trying to pull weeds.
Uh-huh.
This is so hot.
Yeah, it is.
Well, she finally caught up with me. She gave me the scariest news of all. I'm gonna have to start stepping it up around here. Now, I've not only got to make the drinks, I've got to do the dishes too. I thought once I had a family, I was gonna have to stop picking up after myself. I'm starting to think this American dream is nothing but a nightmare that I'm never gonna wake up from. monkey's back on your back, son of a Rick. If you're planning a Halloween party, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. You wanna lure your guest in and cast them under a spell. Or otherwise, they'll just walk on to the next guy's party, leaving you alone in the dark. I recommend today's enchantment, the Vampire's Kiss. It's sweet and fun, but packs a bite that'll leave you restless for an eternity. We're gonna sugar rim a coupe glass. Add a ½ ounce of grenadine to an ice shaker. ½ ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. ½ ounce of unsweetened 100% cranberry juice. One ounce of Chambord, but like we say it down in the South, Chambord.
Damn, Dad. Given the South's history, maybe you ought to stick with the French pronunciation, Chambord. Fuck that.
One and a ½ ounces of effing vodka. I first need an effing shot. That ain't effing bad. Don't be Florida man and drink the dry ice, but add it to your glass. Today's word of wisdom is deranged. To be deranged is to be crazy or insane. It kind of reminds me of the most chilling threat of all. My in-laws. Every Halloween I clutch the curtains shut, gripping on to the final shreds of independence before the holiday season. Thanksgiving is just a few weeks away, and I can already hear their thundering steps coming up the driveway. Everyone thinks Halloween is the spooky season, but it's just a walk in the park compared to the horrors that lie in store. Whether you're giving thanks around the table or unwrapping a present by the fire, keep your eyes up and your ears open. Family gatherings are just another way of just welcoming bloodthirsty ghouls and backstabbers into your very home.
Hey, what's on your back, dude?
What?
What's on your back?
It's a monkey. I guess the monkey's off my back, Sir Rick.